Hi there, this is Colton with Green Acres Nursery and Supply, and today we're going to be going over some methods to help with your plant's health during the winter months. Just as we're having to layer up to keep warm, some of your plants are going to have to do the same to maintain their health. So let's get into it and show you how to protect from frost this season. Let's get into why it's important to be using these products during the winter months. Anytime your more sensitive plants are experiencing temperatures of 40 degrees and below, they're going to start experiencing some issues. So let's get into some of the products that are going to help prevent that. As you can see behind me, we have a wide variety of tents and blankets that are going to help to protect your plants during the cold season. Whether it be a large citrus or a small succulent, we have the products that are going to be able to be cut to size and specific for your plant. The great thing about the frost cloth material is it allows for the passing of light and water to the plant, as opposed to some other materials like plastic. The added benefit is it can make direct contact with the foliage. Let's talk a little bit about how this material works. During the day, heat is trapped into the ground and slowly releases during the evening. What this does is create a cozy little environment to trap that heat in with your plant. An added benefit to the material is that you can use it year after year and it will hold up. So let's go outside and we can go through a quick demonstration on how to set it up and see what the product can really do. Now that we've made our way outside, we can get into the demonstration on how frost protection works. Whether you're using a blanket that's cut to size for the area you're trying to cover, or one of these frost tents, we're going to be able to keep that heat trapped with the plant. This lemon that we have here is going to easily be covered by our frost tent. And the most important part is maintaining contact between the ground and the frost cloth material. That's going to be trapping that heat in and giving us that desired effect. Now there are many ways to get this secured to the ground. Our recommendation is using the fabric staples that we carry here at Green Acres. However, you can use a brick or rock or any other material that you have lying around. And all you'll have to do for the tents is go from corner to corner and secure them into the ground. Now let's get into what it looks like using one of the frost cloth blankets. The one I have here is a 10 to 12 foot model. However, if you come into the store, we can cut it into any size that you're needing for any area that you have to be covered. All this needs to do is go over the plant completely, tucked in closer to the base, and then again secured with any of the staples, trapping in that heat with your plant. Once the frost cloth has been properly secured to the ground, it can be left on so long as those temperatures are under 40 degrees. Once they increase over that, it can easily be removed. Now that we've demonstrated how the frost cloth works, let's go into some of the plants that's important to get covered. Citrus and tropicals with any new tender growth are going to need that frost cloth protection, along with any succulents that are susceptible to scarring. Any other frost sensitive plants are going to need that coverage as well. And if you have any questions as to what plants those might be, please come on in and any of our garden gurus are going to be able to walk you through what needs coverage. Happy gardening and good luck this winter protecting your plants from the cold, and I'll see you in the store.